Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Lee English Studio.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Lee.
On this channel, we help you practice real English in a fun and easy way. And today, we have a very special topic. We are going to talk about New Year.
That's right. We will share our experiences, plans, and resolutions for the new year, and also teach you useful vocabulary and phrases.
Yes, and the conversation is slow and clear, so you can listen, repeat, and practice naturally.
Lee, how did you celebrate New Year's Eve?
Oh, it was very calm and cozy. I stayed home, cooked tomato pasta with garlic bread, and watched the fireworks on TV.
That sounds relaxing. Did Pepper, your cat, like the fireworks?
Not at all. She was so scared. She ran under the sofa and stayed there for the whole show.
Poor Pepper. My New Year's Eve was a little different. I went to a small party with some friends. There were about 10 people, and we played card games, ate chips, sandwiches, and drank sparkling juice.
Sounds fun. Did you do the countdown?
Of course, we counted down to midnight together. 10, 9, 8. It was exciting.
I love the countdown. It makes the night so special. Even at home, I watched the city fireworks on TV and felt the excitement.
And how did you start New Year's Day?
I called my parents to wish them a happy new year. Family is very important to me, so it was my first task.
That is very sweet. I woke up late, around 11 a.m., and went for a walk in the park. People greeted each other warmly. Happy New Year. It felt very friendly.
I love seeing people happy and excited. It really gives a good start to the year.
Exactly. And now, Emma, let's talk about New Year's resolutions.
Yes, a New Year's resolution is a promise we make to improve or change something in the new year.
For example, my resolution this year is to learn to cook 5 new meals. I want to try one every 2 to 3 months.
That's amazing. My resolution is to read one easy English book per month and 1 or 2 challenging books in my own language.
Very realistic and achievable. That is the key. Small, practical goals are better than big, impossible ones.
Exactly. And we can also have plans beyond resolutions. For example, you plan to travel more, right, Lee?
Yes, I want to visit the mountains during summer, breathe fresh air, and enjoy nature.
And I plan to visit my old friend Anna, who lives in another country. I am saving money for the plane ticket.
That is exciting. We can use the phrase, I am looking forward to show excitement. For example, I am looking forward to traveling.
Perfect. And we can also talk about work or study goals.
So, Emma, what are your work or study goals for this year?
I want to continue my daily English study and start a new hobby involving my hands, maybe painting or gardening on my balcony.
That sounds fun. Gardening is great. We could even have a shared project, growing small flowers, herbs, or tomatoes.
Yes, that would be amazing. We can practice English while planning and doing the garden.
I like that idea. And I also want to learn new computer skills like video making and photo editing. It will help my career and our YouTube channel.
Perfect. That is very practical. Learning something useful while doing what we love.
Now let's talk about things we are not looking forward to.
Yes, I think everyone has a few things like that. I am not looking forward to the cold winter mornings and dark evenings.
Oh, me too. Waking up early in the cold is always hard, but coffee and a warm blanket help a lot.
Yes, and I'm also not looking forward to crowded stores before holidays, but we survive it.
Exactly. Now let's reflect on last year. What was your best memory, Emma?
I think my best memory was completing a 6-month work project successfully. My boss praised me, and I felt very proud.
That is wonderful. My best memory was a peaceful solo vacation by the sea. I read books, swam, and just rested. Very calm and refreshing.
That sounds amazing. Did you have any challenges last year?
Yes, I was sick for 2 weeks with a cold. It was tiring, but I recovered. And you?
I had to say goodbye to my old blue car. It was a little sad, but I got a newer, safer car.
Smiles. Life has ups and downs, but every experience teaches us something.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about dream plans. These are big, motivating hopes for the future, usually longer term than normal plans.
My big dream is to save money for a major trip to another continent. I plan it for the year after next.
And my dream is to speak English more confidently and think faster in English. I want to improve my fluency this year.
Very inspiring. And we can use phrases like, my dream plan is to describe our big goals.
Yes, it is important to speak about dreams because it motivates us and helps practice English naturally.
Now let's learn some useful vocabulary and phrases for New Year.
Okay, first, New Year's resolution, a promise to improve or change something in the new year. Example, my New Year's resolution is to exercise 3 times a week.
Next, I'm looking forward to, feeling happy and excited about something in the future. Example, I'm looking forward to the holiday season.
Dream plan, a big, motivating hope or wish for the future. Example, my dream plan is to travel around the world.
Time flies when time passes very quickly. Example, time flies. I can't believe it's already New Year again.
Cozy, warm, comfortable, and safe. Example, my home feels very cozy during winter.
Countdown, counting backwards to 0, usually before an exciting event. Example, the New Year's Eve countdown started at 10.
Save money, to keep money aside for future use. Example, I'm saving money for a big trip.
Perfect. These phrases are very useful for talking about New Year experiences and plans.
Yes, and don't forget, using them in sentences helps remember them better.
Absolutely. Now, Emma, let's practice a small conversation using some of these words.
Great.
Hi, Emma. Did you enjoy your New Year's Eve?
Yes, very much. I stayed home and watched the fireworks. It was cozy.
That sounds nice. Did you make any resolutions?
Yes, I want to read 1 English book every month. I'm looking forward to it.
That is excellent. My resolution is to cook 5 new meals this year. I'm excited too.
Perfect example of using the phrases.
Emma, let's talk about New Year's Day activities. What did you do on January 1st?
I started my day by calling my parents to wish them a Happy New Year. Family connections are very important.
That is so sweet. I woke up late, around 11 a.m., and went for a refreshing walk in the park. People were greeting each other warmly.
That sounds wonderful. Did you see fireworks still in the sky?
Not really. Most were gone by morning, but a few children were playing with sparklers. Very cozy scene.
I stayed home quietly, cooked tomato pasta with fresh basil and garlic bread, and watched city fireworks on TV. Our cat, Pepper, was scared by the loud sounds.
Poor Pepper. Cats do not like fireworks at all.
Exactly, but it was fun for us. We also talked about our plans and resolutions for the new year.
That's the best part, reflecting on the past year and planning for the future.
Yes, and that brings us to grammar. When we talk about last year, we use past simple tense. For example, I went to a party, I cooked pasta, or I saw fireworks.
And when we talk about our plans, we use phrases like I want to, I plan to, or I'm looking forward to.
Exactly, and for plans already decided, we can say I'm going to. Sudden decisions can use I will.
Perfect grammar summary. Let's practice with some examples.
I'm going to visit my old friend next month.
I will try a new recipe tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to the summer holiday.
Very natural. Now let's discuss realistic resolutions.
Yes, many people set very big resolutions, but it is better to choose achievable ones.
For example, my resolution is to learn 5 new meals this year. That's one every 2 to 3 months. It is realistic and enjoyable.
And my resolution is to read 1 easy English book per month and 1 or 2 challenging books in my language. That is achievable too.
Yes, setting small, realistic goals helps us stay motivated.
Now, what about plans beyond resolutions?
I want to travel more this year, especially to the mountains during summer for fresh air and nature.
That sounds relaxing. I plan to visit my friend Anna in another country. I'm saving money for a plane ticket.
Excellent.
We can use the phrase looking forward to express positive anticipation. For example, I'm looking forward to my trip.
Yes, that is very useful for conversations.
Let's talk about challenges. What are you not looking forward to, Emma?
I am not looking forward to cold mornings and dark days, but I will manage with hot coffee and blankets.
Me too. Cold mornings are always hard.
And sometimes planning big events can be stressful, but small steps make it easier.
Absolutely. Now, let's reflect on last year's best memories. What was your favorite memory, Emma?
Completing a 6-month work project successfully and getting praise from my boss, it felt very rewarding.
Wonderful. My best memory was a solo vacation by the sea. Reading, swimming, and resting, it was peaceful.
Did you have any difficult experiences last year?
Yes, I was sick for 2 weeks with a cold. And you?
Saying goodbye to my old blue car. Sad, but the new car is safer and better.
Life has ups and downs, but every experience teaches us something important.
Now, let's talk about dream plans, Emma. These are big, motivating goals that we hope to achieve, sometimes longer term than normal plans.
My dream plan is to speak English more confidently and think faster in English. I want to improve fluency and communication.
That is a fantastic dream. My big dream is to save money for a major trip to another continent, maybe in 2 years. It will take preparation and patience.
Dreams inspire us to work hard and stay motivated, and even small steps help us reach them.
Exactly. Let's also practice some useful New Year phrases.
Sure, for example, Happy New Year is the most common greeting.
And all the best for the new year is a nice way to wish someone success.
You can also say, I hope you have a wonderful year, or wishing you happiness and health in the new year.
Great examples. Let's combine these phrases with our resolutions. Happy New Year. My resolution is to learn 5 new meals this year.
Or, all the best for the new year. My resolution is to read 1 English book every month.
Perfect. Now for vocabulary, let's repeat some important words we learned today. New Year's resolution, countdown, cozy, dream plan, looking forward to, save money, time flies.
Excellent. And remember, using these words in sentences makes learning much easier and more natural.
Let's do a short conversation practice about New Year so learners can shadow us.
Okay, acting. Hi, Lee. How was your New Year's Eve?
Hi, Emma. It was cozy. I went to a small party and did a countdown with friends. How about you?
I stayed home, cooked dinner, and watched fireworks on TV. Pepper, my cat, was scared.
That sounds fun. What is your New Year's resolution?
I plan to read 12 easy English books and a few challenging ones in my own language. And you?
I want to learn 5 new meals this year and travel more during the summer. I'm really looking forward to it.
Wonderful. It's exciting to have plans and dreams. Happy New Year, Lee.
Happy New Year, Emma. Let's make this year amazing.
That was a perfect example. Learners can practice by changing the details, different resolutions, memories, or dream plans.
And don't worry about making mistakes. Speaking about personal experiences and goals is the best way to improve English naturally.
Yes, start with simple sentences. For example, my New Year's resolution is, or I'm looking forward to.
You can also share your dreams, plans, and favorite memories with friends, family, or even in the comments below.
Absolutely. Writing your resolutions or small plans in English helps your reading and writing skills too.
So to summarize today's lesson, we talked about New Year's experiences, activities, reflections, resolutions, realistic and dream plans, useful vocabulary, and natural phrases.
And we encourage learners to practice speaking slowly, clearly, and confidently while sharing personal stories.
Remember, English is a journey. Every small step counts.
Yes, keep practicing, reflect on your year, set achievable goals, and share your stories. That's how you improve naturally.
Thank you so much for joining us today at Mr. Lee English Studio.
Have a fantastic new year filled with joy, learning, and success. Bye for now.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your New Year's resolution or dream plan. We love reading your stories.
Happy New Year, everyone. See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.